Hello, and welcome. Thank you for joining us at the Newport Beach Public Library for Fall Crafts. Now that you've picked up your bag of craft supplies from your local library, let's see what we've got. We've got some paper, some bags of goodies, our instructions, and a bunch of other stuff. We can start with the fall scavenger hunt. Let's go outside and see what we can find. Oh my goodness, there are so many kinds of leaves. Small leaves, big leaves, brown leaves, purple leaves, yellow leaves, green leaves, even shiny leaves. There are long leaves, and there are short leaves. Maybe you can even find some leaves with all the colors. Once you've found your leaves, what sound do they make? Make sure to stamp everything you find. There are so many things to look for. How many of them can you find? Okay, on to making our hedgehogs. First, we'll make a nice grassy bed for our hedgehog. Then, we will cut out its face and make it into a cone shape using tape or glue. You can trim it to fit your pine cone if you want. Next, we can add the eyes, mouth, nose, and ears. Haha, look at this guy. Next, attach the hedgehog's head to the pine cone. And finally, let's put them in the grass. Alright, let's try making some leaf rubbings. Just take one of your leaves, place it on your table. I like to use the back side so you can see the veins of the leaf. And use a long flat side of your crayons to color over your leaf. You can use tracing paper or plain paper. I think both have pretty great results. Try different types of leaves for even more fun. And lastly, let's make some festive apple cores. Cut up your apple skin, glue it to the piece of wood, attach your stem and leaf, and draw on some seeds. There you go! That looks like it was a very tasty apple. I wish I was the one that got to eat it. Thanks again for joining us here at the Newport Beach Public Library. Enjoy your crafting and have a wonderful fall.